Hi there, how can I help?
Hi, I've come to collect cream that my doctor has prescribed.
Can I see your prescription, please?
Here it is.
Please can you just sign here?
Sure. Are there any special instructions about this cream?
You need to apply it twice a day, in the morning and night time.
Okay, thanks. Do I need to pay for it?
Yes, you'll need to pay unless there are exceptions.
Okay, how much is it?
£9.50, please.
Here you go.
Thanks, take care.
Bye. Hi, my dentist sent me here to buy a temporary filling kit. Do you sell them here?
Yes, of course, you've come to the correct place. We sell a range of different do-it-yourself filling kits.
Can you show me the most popular one?
Yes, here it is. This one's popular because it's easy to use.
Great! Do I need a prescription from my dentist to buy this kit?
No, you don't. You can purchase it now.
Fab! How much is it?
£5.50.
That's cheap. I'll pay by card.
All done. Good luck with your tooth.
Thanks. Bye. Excuse me, could you help me find the right lotion?
Sure, what's it for?
I got a really bad rash from being in the sun for too long.
Is it itchy?
Yes, extremely itchy.
I would recommend this product called Sincere Oil.
Will it help to get rid of the rash?
It should do. If it doesn't, then you'll need to visit your doctor.
Okay, thanks for your help.
Can I help with anything else?
That's all, thanks. Hi, I've been prescribed some medication. Can I collect it here?
Yes, you're in the right place. Please show me your prescription.
There you go.
You'll need to fill out the personal details section.
Okay, done.
Please add your signature at the bottom.
Oh, sorry. Done.
Can you also tick the relevant box about your employment?
I'm unemployed.
So, you won't need to pay for your medication then.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Here you go. Your medication is in the bag.